What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Hey, I saw your lips move. I know you said it with your boy. I seen it, man. Hey, check this out, though. Man, I was watching PBS last night, right? And they were showing the Tina Turner concert. And she was live at Wembley Stadium. Like, man, had to be like 100,000 folks out there. It just dawned on me, man, that she is an international rock star. You know how hard that is to do? And not only that, she came from a small town in Alabama, man. Like, bro, you can make it in this world, bro. I'm just saying that to say, even in crypto, if you just starting out, man, you getting rug pulled, scammed, this, and that, don't know which way is up. Keep going, bro. Just keep going. We all been there. Just keep going, dog. Cause look here. Pancake swap. You see the move, baby. You see the move early in the morning on a Monday? A money making Monday? So I got 51. And I'm finna show you something too. I got 51, right? I'm gonna show you how to 4X your money real quick. And that's on you to do it. I don't think I do it, show it to you. But I'm finna show you what I did last night, right? So I jumped into this coin, right? You remember I had $500 right here? I just took that little 500 and jumped into this coin called Retire Coin. Just on a whim, just, you know what I'm saying? Hey, man. Man, that thing went up. What a chart at? Look at that. Now, I put it in Telegram last night. It was around 14, like this right here. I put it right up in here. Right at 14 here. Just hit 14, like bam, right in there. As you can see, and then, you know, people, man, it's already pumped and this, that, and the other. Ain't no sales and all that. Look, man. All that I do is show it to you. Look what happened after that. Now, you know the red coming. Because you got all these people back here now. Show you. Got all these people back here now. I mean, of course, they ain't going to hold forever. They going to sell something. These are the believers. You know. So, you know, they took a little profit and they got bought right back up. Pew. That is crazy, bro. I mean, I'll leave the link in the description. Ain't no referral link and then it just, hey, man. It just, you see it. So that's what I did. So I turned that little 500 into, you know what I'm saying? That's just, I just make money, man. That's just what I do. You understand what I'm saying? That's what I do. But anyway, back to old pancake swap. Now let me show you how to 4X your money, right? Let's come over here to forms. Now, 80% of the people that's in these farms are in this pool right here, this cake B&B pool. Look at it. I mean, it's just crazy, right? It's paying 58%, which is pretty good for, you know, basically a stable pair, right? So let me show you what you could do. Look at coin swap, bro. Look at it. You just seen the price go up. Rewind the video. You just seen the price go up, man. The thing is at $9.20. You see how much I got right here, man. I don't know what to tell you, bro. That's why people be talking about, man, I'm taking losses. I don't know what to do. You obviously ain't watching me, bro. You can't be watching me. What you want me to say? I don't know what to tell you. I'm going to tell you to watch my video. You watching my video, you making money. Now look, let me show you, right? How to 4X your money. Look at this. Same pool. B&B cake. Paying 242%. Let me show you something. Break it down into numbers, right? Right here, look. Get the little square. Just show you. That's paying 0.16% a day, right? That's what it's paying per 1,000 cake. 0.16 a day, right? Come over to coin swap. It's paying 0.66 per day. Let that marinate on your soul. How many X's? That's almost 5X actually. But you know, we'll keep it at 4X. That's an easy 4X with the same money. You ain't did nothing but unstake from this pool, and you ain't gotta do it all. I don't know how much you got. If you're a risk taker, do it all. If not, I'm just showing you, bro. I'm just showing you the numbers. It's paying 0.16. This paying 0.66. Just add 5 right there. That's a 5X. Well, yeah. Instead of a 1, put a 6. It's a 5X. Now, but you ain't got to do it. That's on you. And if you're coin swap, hey, man. And the price going up, too. This thing was at $6 the other day. Then it went to 7. Then it went to 8. Now it's at 9. I got 130. You do the math. You know how much that is, man. I don't take out nothing less than 1,000. I wait till you get to over 1,000. I take it. Each platform. Well, I mean, show you these gems. Y'all need to send me something. You need to donate something to your boy. I be showing y'all these. No, I'm just kidding, man. You gotta send me nothing. I do it because I want you to make it. I'm making it. You can make it. Come on, man. Say, man, Pancake Swap. What you doing, CZ? That's 1,000. I can take that out. Thou wow. That's an easy thou wow. Take that out. I ain't forgot about buy swap. You want me to show it to you? You ready? You looking at the bottom of the screen? Are you sure you ready? Are you sitting down? You ready? That thing $1.68, bro. $1.68. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Remember we got down to like 60 cents. Yeah, oh man. Okay. I showed you. I went back in. I got out when they did a little maintenance for 30 minutes and went back in. Bro, this thing is heaven on earth, boy. You see it. And I ain't even got to tell you. It'll show you right here. That's 1,500. Each platform. You see what I'm doing, man. Like, how, what? And you know what's funny when people say they be taking L's and losing and stuff. And I be like, what are you doing? Look at somebody right now. Thanks, Don. What's up? Guido, what's happening? That's what's up, though. Shout out to my people, man. Some people get the knowledge, man, that they be coming up. I love to see that. I got so many messages in my Telegram, man. People thanking me, man. Like they ain't never think they can make it. Everybody else be scamming. They be watching folk for years and they make no money. Start watching your boy making money right off the rip. That's what I do. But anyway, you see it, man. 1,500 in the buy swap. Hold on, where my water at, boy? I feel like I'm in the Sahara Desert. My throat is drizzy. Ooh. See that? Anyway, man, I'm gonna keep going because I'm a professional. They stop. The show don't stop, but the show must go on. What else we got going on, man? What else we got going on? You know where we're finna go. Take a guess where we're finna go. I'll give you one guess. I done showed you. Look at that. Right there. Followed you when you first posted the steady growth. I'm telling you, man. Y'all think I be lying. Daddy, I'm the man. I'm the man, man. For free. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't tolerate no haters, no none of that block. I can have a whole lot more views and subscribe. My block list longer than my friends list. I don't take none of that. Block instantly. I had to say sorry to some people because I ain't even read the whole comment. Any kind of sideways out about block. We all about these games. Period. Point blank. Games. You understand? But anyway, y'all know we going with it, man. That thaya. You know what I'm talking about? Why? Hey, boy, man, I look at this. I be like, why didn't I think of this, man? What was I doing? I'd probably chase some girl in the mall, trying to get a number or something. Y'all know, boy, y'all know. Hey, man, no matter how old you get, man, you get them butterflies, especially if she pretty. Boy, you get them butterflies. I don't care how confident you are. Just got a haircut, you know, shaped up, everything, got your fresh fit on, you know what I'm saying? You still get them butterflies. Why you trying to figure what I'm gonna say? What I'm gonna say? Do I say excuse me? Do I say hey ma'am? Do I say psst, psst? That's old school right now. Y'all don't remember that psst, psst. Boy, if you remember that psst, psst, boy, you hey, shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, man. Hey, we get them butterfly lady. So if you're a female, man, give your boy a shot. Not me, I'm just saying anybody. You know what I'm saying, man? We be having them butterflies trying to talk to these ladies, man. But I'm getting off track. That's how we do, man. We still skirt, boy, or some. But they had them little bras on. I love a 2 little bra. And they be, man, boy, it's too early in the month. Y'all better keep your boy in check, man. What I'm talking about? Drip, man. Yeah, man. So, yeah. I wish I had thought of this, man. Team still growing. Shout out to y'all, man. You know the airdrop coming on Friday. I ain't like the other folk, man. Try to skip on by it and all that. No, every Friday. You know the airdrop every Friday. Giving away money. Giving it away. Let me see how much money I gave away so far. Let me see how much money I gave away. Come on, thing. But I tell you, when I try to help the folk, thing don't want to do right. Copy my address. Copy that address. Let me see how much money I gave away. Let's see. 1,349 drip. And I ain't got but one drip in return. But I gave away 1,300 drip, bro. Do the math. I done gave away 1,300 drip, man. That is crazy. But anyway, man. Oh, John. Y'all supposed to see that. Y'all ain't in the Telegram. I don't see that. But anyway, man. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. And I showed you how to 4X. Try it out if you want to with CoinSwap. All the links in the description. CoinSwap, BuySwap, everything going up. Your boy making plenty of money. My folk making plenty of money. Hey, man. Holla at your boy, man.